install cabinet C. Mark the points to be drilled. Check the correct points. Drill holes with an impact drill. Secure back clip with expansion screws. Install the hook on the cabinet. Hang cabinet onto back clip. Next, calibrate the cabinet with a level. Adjust the cabinet's level using the 4 feet at the bottom. Keep the bubble centered. Now prepare to install cabinet A. Same as installing cabinet C. Secure the cabinet to the wall and keep it level with cabinet C. Unscrew the screws and remove CS panels. Connect one end to A. Pass the other end through the back of the cabinet. Connect to C. Mount on the wall. Secure the top cabinet. Put the batteries into the cabinet. Pay attention to the battery orientation. Ground the batteries and secure with nuts. Connect the batteries to the cabinet. Install the ACS panels. Install the electricity meter. Secure the mounting bracket. Mounting the inverter. Connect the inverter to device A. Install the RS485 can. Install the PV wire. Install the AC wire. Next, connect the meter. Install the Wi-Fi stick clockwise to cabinet A. First, switch on the grid breakers to complete the startup. Then, turn on the inverter switch. Next, turn on the breakers on cabinets A and C. Finally, press the start button on both cabinets. The screen should be working. Then you should start commissioning on the installer APP.